Hello everyone, this is ClickWorthy, bringing you the internet's most fascinating clips. This fast food place had just closed for the night, but this woman was on a mission. She was so determined to learn how they make the food that she actually climbed through the drive-thru window.
No, hell no.
Like, who does that?
Did you give her permission to learn with you? It's a training thing.
She then asked the manager how to make the food herself. In the end, she left empty-handed, but hey, A+ for creativity and a little bit of crazy. No sirens? No problem. Just grab a bagpipe. Now that's thinking outside the box. Who needs a bed when you've got a bag? Talk about jumping right in. This little girl's in tears because her mom asked her if it was morning or night.
Lily, is it morning or night?
Guess time is tough for her right now. This cat's got moves like Michael Jackson. This guy got hit on his funny bone and started busting out some hilarious bird moves. These workers tried to slow down their boss.
Ow!
Now that's one way to start the morning. These kids are skating down a closed highway at night. Talk about a breathtaking view. This guy got arrested for driving under the influence. He's so drunk, he said he was twice the legal minute.
What is that?
1-8.
What does that mean?
Means you were higher than twice the legal limit.
Twice in legal minute?
Yeah, that's not how it works, buddy. This guy found a rat inside his oven.
And so I turned it on 450 degrees for 45 minutes, and now our whole house stinks like rat. Burnt rat. I'm hoping dead burnt rat. It's dead.
Talk about an unexpected dinner guest. This guy played dead in front of his horse just to see what would happen. The horse looked around like, did anyone else see this? Nope. Alright, I'll just pretend I didn't either. Peace out. This guy captured a video of an asteroid passing by.
Wow. Wow.
Talk about catching a once-in-a-lifetime moment. This giant river of lava is moving like water. What an amazing view. Nature never ceases to amaze. A photographer's drone captured a waterfall in Utah flowing in reverse because of strong winds. This dog is absolutely adorable. Did you know you can shrink almost any plastic bottle just by pouring boiling water into it? This guy asked how many months pregnant the other dude is.
How many months?
Pregnant? 20 years?
Oh!
Didn't see that plot twist coming. This is exactly why you can't trust these hotel room locks. Not as secure as you'd think. Check out these awesome Levi wand tricks. This girl's got skills. This guy's PS5 completely melted in a house fire, but somehow it still works. Talk about built to last.
Bro, if y'all don't have a PS5, go get one right now.
War tanks have insane precision when it comes to range and accuracy.
God damn.
That's some serious firepower. Her bubble blowing game is insane. She makes it look so easy. A van drove straight through a video game store, crashing right into the shelves. Luckily, no one was hurt. Imagine walking in for a game and getting a live-action car chase scene instead. It looks like this guy's running on a mirror. This reflective lake is absolutely breathtaking. This cat's new on the job.
Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today. He's new. Oh, okay.
Looks like he's still figuring things out. Did you know that swimmers lift weights to get stronger at swimming? Honestly, I had no idea until now. This is one feisty cat. Watch out.
This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
This is what a solar eclipse looks like on another planet. NASA's rover caught a video of one of Mars's moons passing in front of the sun. This little guy couldn't handle the milk. He's ready to pass out after that amazingly tasty drink. If looks could talk, this minion Side-Eye would have a lot to say.
Side-Eye.
G-Force is no joke. This is insane. This guy changes his pickup name every time at Starbucks, and the names just keep getting funnier.
You here to pick up a mobile order?
What's the name of that?
Captain McDibbles?
Totally, we have that ready for you.
Nice. Here to pick up a mobile order?
What is the name on that?
Gandalf Igglywampus?
I got you. I made that. I remember that name.
I can't stop laughing at this one.
May I have the name?
Ashhole?
Alright, looks like we're just finishing that up for you.
Thank you.
Why the hell would you name it that?
This woman starts yelling at the fisherman to get off her property, but she doesn't seem to understand where it starts and ends, so he just ignores her. This guy breaks his skateboard mid-stunt while pulling off a split. Total fail, but somehow a win in the end. You can tell this dog's all about that chicken.
Apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
He's not messing around when it comes to chicken. Delivering flowers on Valentine's Day can be awkward. This poor woman thought they were for her. Nope, they were for her neighbor.
Hi.
What is that?
Your neighbor's not in. I need you to sign for him.
You're serious?
Yes.
Talk about awkward.
Okay.
That's one tiny dog.
Alice.
Winter storms in Ontario can get absolutely wild.
Just like I'm going out like this.
This guy scares the girl while taking off his face mask.
Yep, and it brings down the skin's temperature. See how it kind of got stuck on the beard?
This guy was pretending to film the wedding, but nah, he was secretly watching the game. Priorities, right? These guys sent a camera down the middle of spiral stairs, and the view is absolutely mesmerizing. This guy turned in his homework with the most insane video ever.
What's up, Professor? I'm actually trying to submit this but my roommate doesn't know how to shut his mouth. So, yeah, here you go. El nombre del restaurante un Capital Grill. E ho mangiato una bistecca alla patate de fagiolini e de broccoli.
Bet the professor didn't see that coming. This anteater's got everyone doing a double take. Is it just me, or does this anteater have two heads? These chickens don't mess around. They've been trained to dodge hawks like pros.
Quickly! Go! Go! Quick! Quick! Good on you! Good
Who knew chickens could be this smart? This guy's like a real-life superhero. He's flying on a flyboard with a girl. I gotta try that someday. I'm definitely adding that to my bucket list. That's a wrap for this video. Hope you had as much fun watching as I did making it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Catch you in the next one. Later, guys.